Good day, everyone. So, today I will be presenting my evaluation of three digital tools for language learning, focusing on how they can help intermediate English learners improve their academic skills. So, the target learners are students aged 14 to 16 years old at the intermediate level. So, their main goal is to enhance their academic vocabulary, comprehension, and of course the pronunciation. So they have access to mobile devices with stable internet and prefer visual and auditory learning styles. So to support these learners, I evaluated three different tools that offer unique approaches to language learning. So the first one is the Duolingo. This is the language learning app where it uses gamification to make learning fun, and it provides short exercises but lacks deep grammar explanations. So the second one is the Quizlet. So Quizlet is vocabulary building tool where it uses flashcards, quizzes, and spaced repetition for retention. And of course, it allows custom study sets to match academic needs. And the last one is the BBC Learning English. It is an online course and pronunciation practice. So, to provide a real world listening exercises and grammar explanation, and also it helps improve pronunciation and comprehension. So, now let's compare these tools based on K criteria. So, as you can see, this is the comparative evaluation. I evaluated the tools using important criteria such as pedagogical soundness, content quality, interactive features, and of course, accessibility. So here are the key findings. To summarize, the strength of Duolingo is fun and engaging, and it's easy to use, but it is focuses on casual learning and lacks academic depth. And the second one is the Quizlet. So here are the strengths and the weaknesses I find in the Quizlet. It is effective for memorization, customizable, and supports active learning, but limited grammar explanation that relies on user-generated content. And the last one is the BBC Learning English. So it is a high quality lessons, improves comprehension and pronunciation, but less interactive and not ideal for vocabulary building. So based on this evaluation, I have chosen the best tool for our target learners. So I recommend Quizlet as the most effective tool for intermediate learners because it is designed for academic vocabulary retention, and it is essential for improving comprehension. And of course, it uses spaced repetition and a proven technique for long-term learning. And as well as it offers interactive features like quizzes and flashcards that makes the learner engaging. And of course, the last one, it is free and accessible with a simple and user-friendly interface. So, the question is, why not Duolingo or BBC Learning English? Number one is Duolingo is too gamified and lacks academic focus. However, the BBC Learning English is great for comprehension, yes, but not interactive enough for vocabulary building. So for these reasons, Quizlet is the best choice for academic English learners. So in summary, I evaluated Duolingo, Quizlet, and BBC Learning English based on their effectiveness in teaching English. So after comparing their strengths and weaknesses, I found that Quizlet is the best that meets the needs of intermediate learners by helping them improve academic vocabulary, comprehension, and retention. So that's all. Thank you for listening. I am open to any questions. Thank you.